Hello, my name is James Chandler, and this is my topic speech. So today I'll be talking about why exercising is beneficial for your health. Did you know that there are lots of benefits from exercising daily? But did you know that a pound of muscle can burn up to 3 times more calories than a pound of fat? College stress. Many college students like me struggles with weight, also with stress, sleep, and etc. Specifically, we will be discussing how exercise can result in weight loss, why exercise influences your mood, also how exercising can promote better, longer sleep. So with me, taking a full-time college schedule, it's very stressful on me. I lose sleep. I've gained some weight over the years, and I can honestly say after exercising pretty consistently for about 3 to 4 times a week, I've been able to sleep a little better at night, and I've been actually shaving some pounds off. So my first, or the three main points I want to talk about is that exercising can control weight, exercising can help with your mood and energy, and exercising can promote better sleep overall. So exercising controls weight. When losing weight, more physical activity increases the number of calories that are being used for energy. So it burns off. The burning of calories through physical activities combined with reducing the number of calories you eat creates a calorie deficient that results in weight loss. Muscle is more metabolically active than fat, while it is not the miracle fat burner that many hope it to be. Strengthening muscle can help you lose weight overall. Exercise improves mood and energy. Exercise helps chronic depression by increasing serotonin. So that's going to be helping out with more of your mood, your sleep, your appetite, or with your brain as far as like the neurotrophic type of factors going on. So, and regular physical activity can improve your strength and boost your endurance. Exercise delivers oxygen and nutrients in your tissues and helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. And when your heart and lung improves health, you have more energy throughout your day as well. Exercise promotes better sleep. So physical activity improves, quality and increases sleep duration. Early morning and afternoon exercising may also help you with your sleep cycle as well. So it can trigger this sleepiness, and after a workout, it may be able to help you relax and get some better sleep at night. Exercising may also reduce insomnia and decreasing anxiety, depression symptoms. Insomnia, commonly linked with evaluated anxiety and depression, and exercising has strong effects on reducing these symptoms in the general population as well. So um, overall, exercising can help you with your weight. It can also help you have a positive mood or more energy throughout your day. It can help you sleep better at night as well. And overall, with us college students, it is hard to get exercise anyways because we already have either a full-time work schedule and possibly a full-time job or a part-time job. So trying to squeeze in uh, exercise, maybe like a 30-minute, 45-minute exercise 3 to 4 times a week, it can actually help you with any of these main topics that I brought up to you. So thank you very much.